Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to your Square Payroll. Square Payroll is an online payroll software that helps businesses manage payroll, pay taxes, and stay compliant. In order to access your Square Payroll, go ahead and launch open a web browser first. Go to the URL box and type in profile.squareup.com and search. Doing this will take you to the Square profile page, from where you will need to sign in by entering your credential. Enter your phone number or your email address in the respective text box and click on Send Code. Now, go ahead and type in the code in the text box that you received via email or SMS and then follow through the instructions till the end and you will be able to access your employee payroll dashboard. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.